want to thank you all for this welcome and for inviting me to speak today. It is a wonderful occasion when we can celebrate the culmination of a lot of hard work over many, many decades. It has been, I think, almost 35 years since the House of Representatives passed a resolution recognizing the Armenian genocide. For 19 of those years, I've made it one of my top priorities to try to accomplish in the Congress. This is the language that has now passed the House and passed the Senate. And in the House of Representatives, it passed with 405 votes, a convincing and bipartisan vote of support for recognition. And one of the reasons why this is so important, that it was so bipartisan and so overwhelming, is that this shouldn't be a partisan issue. The facts of history are the facts of history. They will not be denied.
You're a liar.
You're
a liar.
And so,
liar.
You're a liar.
I'm grateful.
You should be going to jail.
You're a liar.
Stop being in jail. You're guilty of criminal conspiracy.
You're a liar.
Don't impeach. Don't impeach.
Liar.
You should go to fucking jail. Don't touch it. You should be in jail. You are a disgrace to the House of Representatives. You will be going to jail for treason. You will go to jail for treason. No disrespect to you all. I'm glad you guys are getting recognized for genocide. This man is a fucking liar. You should be in jail. Take the Senate, we're going to take the House, 2020's on. And no disrespect. This man is a liar.
Nelson, let me see your sign. Nelson, let me see your sign.
Liar. Liar. Liar.
Stop it. Stupid.
Liar. Liar.
So we can keep
Sir, somebody assaulted her.
Okay, we'll
I
talk to
wasn't
her.
even doing anything.
Which one is he?
He was trying to fight.
Anyone disrespecting the memory of my grandfather and 1.5 million other grandfathers. Do you am I making myself clear?
Well, don't let that man
Sit down.
criticize my president. He does not have a right to criticize my president. No, he doesn't. You're not here to talk about Trump. We did.
For justice.